Happy pleasantries all. Children bring smile to life. But these days, this smile is fading away. You know why? Because of lot of expectation and pressure on them. So little something for dear parents. Have you ever seen balloons with a string? More you try to pull it down, it struggles to soar high. कभी सोचा है? What if we release these balloons? They will rise high. Exactly. They will find their freedom to rise high. Freedom. Kids are just like these balloons. Let them find their own space to fly. Let them explore their own skies. This is right time to set them free and not judge them on their grades. You know, each student is different, unique, special and the best. I trust them, I believe in them and love them to infinity. Let's give them this opportunity to be moon of their own sky.